Welcome at MEYLE TV. I'm Jörn Meyer, I'm the technical trainer here at MEYLE. Today we want to do a gearbox oil change together at the VW-DSG6 gearbox, also known as DQ250 gearbox. Therefore, we have here the 6-liter oil needed, the gearbox filter, the drain plug, and 2 sealing rings, 1 new O-ring for the oil filter housing, and obviously a manual in case you need some assistance. Just a quick information to the filter. When you open the oil filter housing, you can either have originally fitted this filter with a rubber O-ring and without an outer cage, or this one with a plastic sealing lip and an outer cage. Both filters are replaced by the MEYLE filter. I would say we just get onto the car and do the oil change now together. To be able to access the gearbox oil filter housing, we have to take out the air filter box and the intake pipework. After we have taken out now the intake piping, you see now the oil filter housing. To make the oil filter housing more accessible, remove the battery and the battery tray. Tighten the oil filter housing with 20 Newton meters. After removing and installing the battery, please read out and erase the fault memory. second step is now to remove the oil snorkel in there.
Before we fill the oil now, we have to put back in the oil level snorkel. Now we have to tighten the oil snorkel with 3 Newton meters. We put in initially 6 liters of gearbox oil. Then we start the engine and make sure the gearbox temperature is between 35 and 45 centigrade.
With the car running, let the automatic gearbox oil warm up until it is between 35 and 45 centigrade. Go through the gears, pausing 3 seconds between selections. Let the excess oil run out of the drain plug opening. After we check the oil level, we have to tighten the drain plug with 45 Newton meters. For further information on the MEYLE filter, click on the video link.